Are you still struggling to find a suitable lathe or CNC lathe? With years of deep expertise in machining and manufacturing, WMTCNC understands your needs. Today, we sincerely invite you to learn about our several most competitive lathes or CNC lathes and their key selling points. Previously, single-phase VFED retrofits were limited to specific brands like Siemens, leading to high costs and long lead times. Now upgraded, both CK6132 and CK643 series can be equipped with high-performance inverters, achieving full compatibility with mainstream CNCs like GSK and FANUC, breaking all technical barriers. When processing large workpieces, accuracy is of great importance. So, what kind of lathe is needed? WMTCNC equips the Q6180B heavy-duty large lathe with a standard 2-axis digital readout model SDS6-V paired with a ZIN-K 300720 optical scale to ensure accurate and reliable measurement. When choosing a lathe, it is also necessary to pay attention to the customized service. For the precision lead screw, taking the commonly used CO636B lead screw as an example, we not only supply standard products, but also excel in non-standard customization, fully demonstrating our strengths in supply chain management and machining expertise. Whether multi-station tool holders will experience collision interference during complex machining is a concern for many users. We equip the CAC6166X1500 with an 8-station tool holder and meticulously conducted tool position interference analysis and validation. In essence, WMTCNC delivers not just products, but comprehensive solutions built upon deep technical expertise and market insight. Our expertise spans from flexible electrical compatibility and precision components to custom non-standard parts, all designed with you in mind. For reliable, value-driven solutions, contact us now.